Welcome back to Vintage King Motorsports. Today we're taking a close look at a vintage Homelite Super 2. Runs great, starts easily, a nice little saw for your collection. A really nice Homelite Super 2, in great condition, no damage or broken cases. It's got a nice Homelite bar. The chain will need to be sharpened for sure. This saw starts easily, lights off with no problem, carburetes smoothly. A great little saw for your collection. You can buy this saw right now for only $124.99 plus shipping. That's right, $124.99 plus shipping anywhere in the US. We also sell anywhere in the world using eBay international shipping. So if this is a saw you really want, you think you need it for your collection, I understand that. Click on that link below. See right down there? The blue line, blue highlighted link. Click on that for more pictures and details, or to buy this now for only $124.99 plus shipping anywhere in the US. A great saw at a very affordable price. Act now, because when it's gone, and it won't be in your garage. Vintage King Motorsports, when quality and price matter most.